Hello, my name is Dajwa. I'm here to present you my persuasive speech on the topic: Are paper book important than ebook? So first, I'm going to start by giving a brief introduction, which there's evidence from several studies proving informations that paper books is better than ebooks, and also student cannot be separated from their books. So I want to move forward. I want to start with the props of paper book. Paper book in one way or the other helps us assimilate information, like note taking or reading. When we read, the more we assimilate. The more we read, when you don't understand a word, you can either highlight the word or write it on a piece of paper. Then you can get a definition while continuing the reading. For example, the less distractive, because when we're paying attention, we really know what we're looking for. No matter what we have to pay. We need to stay concentrated in a book and get what we're looking for. Another advantage of paper book is that they do not affect eyes. When I say they do not affect eyes, like we don't have to stay in front like of a computer the whole day, for example. But here we're talking of books. We have to stay focused in our books. We have like there's a room light, which we can use the room light to read, and that won't have any negative effect on our eyes. That's why I say it doesn't affect our vision. So I'm going to move forward with the cons of paper book. Paper book take a lot of space in our book bag, and also they're very expensive. When I say a lot of space in a book bag, in the sense like you have for class, for example, you have to carry like 4 textbooks to school, which is heavy and it takes a lot of space. And they're very expensive because when I say expensive, there's some books that we can barely afford, even as students, that are too expensive. So it's not everybody that going to be able to afford the book that like a teacher requires, or so that's basically like some inconvenience about paper book. So I'm going to talk of the pros of ebook. Ebooks, they have advantages like they're accessible online. For example, if a teacher gives like, okay, use this reference, or I need you guys to purchase this book, you can go online, search for the book online, they read your notes online, and you're good to go. It's just like in classroom. Maybe the teacher say, okay, you guys have to read this. You don't have the book, you can just go like maybe into your student account, you log in, and you have maybe copies of the book over there. You're good to go. And they avoid also from going to the library, because once we have those books, we're not allowed to go to the library anymore. Okay, I can go online and find this resource, and this is what I need. I just go online and I grab it and I'm good to go. So the inconvenience about these books, about the ebook learning, is that it affects eyes and it limits us from sleeping. The more we stay in front of the computer, the more we damage our vision, the more we damage our brain, and we have less sleep. So for me, I will conclude by saying I prefer paper books than e-books. So I don't know about others, but for me, paper books are the best. Thank you.